Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best free VPN for gaming in Android device. Let's start. A VPN can help you avoid data throttling by encrypting your data, making it harder for your ISP to figure out whether you are gaming or simply surfing the internet. First, open Play Store. Then search Wang VPN. Download and install this application. After that, open the application. Select OK. In the first step, tap on Expand. Here you can choose which IP address you want to connect. Don't forget, the lower the latency, the better for your connection. So always choose your IP address between green circles. For example, let me choose this IP address. Then set your custom connection time to forever. Finally click to connect. Select OK. Great! If you want to disconnect from VPN, tap on Stop here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.